So I'm back over here again. This I told you guys I'll make another video. So I still have my makeup stuff over here, but I'm actually making slide. And today I'm going to be showing you guys if this is how you really make slime. So let's go. We just need something to mix in. So I've got some stuff just in here. Let's see. Let me see. Oh. Happy again. I'm tired of singing. I'm so sick and tired of seeing you cry. Dry your eyes, the expressions on your face. Feel inside. So it's just want something to mix in. I'm just mixing in the spoon because I can't be bothered finding something else. You'll need some salt. What did I say at the start? Salt and shampoo, eh? I don't know, but I'm gonna go get the shampoo. So I'll be right back. So I've got some shampoo, some green shampoo. I'm just gonna put that in our spoon. So just put our spoon just that way there. Just put only enough. So I just put that much on my spoon because you know this is just a test. So I heard that you'll just want to get the salt. It's about to. So then you'll just want to get a pinch of salt. Put it in there. Okay, so yeah, and you just want to grab whatever you're mixing with. Just mix it. So this is for the people who want to make slime. And if it doesn't work for you, because well, it's not working for me. Look at it. Look at it. It's not working, guys. So look, it's runny and shitty. So I'm just gonna wash that. I'm gonna make it how I made mine. So I'm gonna grab our spoon. Just dry off. So I used this morning fresh stuff and just poured that onto mine. So I just poured as enough that I could, that I would too. And I just put some salt in it. Just put a pinch, and then I just grabbed the spoon and mixed it. And guys, look, it works. Guys, look. It's actually like wiggling around like slime would. And then what I done was I felt it, and it actually felt like slime. So I went to go touch it, and look, guys, it didn't go into my hand. So you fully put your hand in it. So then I'm going to go put it in the freezer for a couple of minutes. So that's how I made my slime. It's actually good. Just want to hold it now. That's how I made my slime. I haven't actually put it in the freezer yet. So yeah, that's how I make my way of slime. So I hope you guys like and subscribe. And I'll see you guys soon, because I'm making another video really soon, because that's how much I love you guys, and I want to do heaps of exciting stuff for Juice. So hope you guys like and subscribe to my channel, and bye.